can rock this course!
I know people think I'm kind of a rock star, but this is ridiculous!
The ultimate garage racers look rock solid dodging these boulders!
But can they dodge Cruz? Here she comes now!
Get ready to have your world rocked, cause I'm gonna roll into first place! Snake Slither, activate!
Make a wall! Don't let Cruz get past you!
Do you think that will stop me?
Yikes! Cruz has hit rock bottom and is way behind the other racers!
Cruz, you okay? I got dizzy just watching you spin like that. I wanted to make sure you aren't hurt.
Huh? Thanks, but I'm fine. And I'll feel even better when I cross that finish line first.
Cruz, maybe now is the time for the super secret, super evil weapon.
Yes, Dad, I know it's time. Time to win this race! Truck blasters, go! Great gears! How did Cruz catch up? What's that on her car? Oh, these? They're track blasters. Here, let me show you how they work. She can make her own tracks? Yep, and I'll make some more. See you later, Slowpokes!
And thanks to her track blasters, Cruz has moved into second place!
How can Cruz use those? There's gotta be a rule against that.
No pushing, no ramming, no grabbing. Ugh. There's no rule against creating your own track.
That's okay. The finish line is just after these loops. I can still win.
You can't cross the finish line if you're on the wrong track. Track blasters, go!
No! I'm going the wrong way! I gotta get back on track. Turbo launch, activate! Go Hot Wheels!
Wow! Look at that! Coop is blasting his way toward the finish line!
But he's no match for Cruz's track blasters!